I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by reproducing the bug so your report is concrete. You should perform the exact steps that trigger the issue and note time and frequency. Once done, gather environment details, Firefox version, operating system, active extensions, and hardware. Make sure to capture screenshots and a short screen recording plus console logs. These artifacts let developers see the failure and error messages. Recording the minimal reproducible steps helps triage quickly and reduces back-and-forth questions. Next, open the official reporting tool and pick the right component so your issue reaches the correct team. Start with a concise title, then state expected versus actual behavior in plain language. Provide step-by-step reproduction instructions and mention how often it happens. Attach your screenshots, console logs, crash ID, and any short recording. Once attached, set severity and indicate if this is a regression from a prior version. That helps prioritize. Finally, add relevant about, crashes or about, support details. Finish by monitoring the report for developer questions and respond quickly with added logs or steps when asked. If maintainers suggest tests or patches, try them and report results. To help isolate causes, reproduce the issue in safe mode or a clean profile and report differences. This rules out extensions or corrupt profiles. If you're blocked, list troubleshooting steps you attempted and include any temporary mitigations or error ID. One tip: if no response, gently bump with new findings rather than a duplicate report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.